Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are learning about digital forensic and start to autopsy using Sleuthkit. What's that? Come on, let's go to check our mission. Okay, like the other mission, we already have account on picoCTF.org. Please log in. If you doesn't have an account, you can subscribe here and sign up on the picoCTF. Okay. JavaScript Kitty 2 400. This is an exploitation mission. Right now we are going to the forensic category. Okay. And we have 24,633 picoCTF score. Okay, and we have 5 missions left, and I want to finish the Operation Orchid. What's the Operation Orchid? Let's talk about this. Okay, download this image and find the flag. Note, if you are using the website, download the extract of this. Okay, the website is this, so you can complete your mission on the browser without a Linux box. Okay, copy the link address. I want to use my Kali box, and let's go. Okay, I'll open our terminal here. What's going on here? Why it took so long here? It's take too long, and I want to close it again and reopen it. Cancel. Why my Xcode? Okay, and I want to clear and zoom in and clear again, and I want to do some intros. Okay, if you're new on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe my video on this. Okay. You can check my YouTube, Hanky Lodwig, and check my video there, and you can like my video or subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you if you doing that. Okay, let's move to our Kali box. Okay, I want to use SSH to my Kali box at 192 and 98 and 90. I think 168, and okay, I'll put my password and we are logging here. Let's move to the desktop folder, nothing here, and make directory picoCTF. Okay, and on the picoCTF, create directory, name it forensic, mkdir forensic, and cd to the product directory, and create our folder name Orchid. Is that the name? Okay, Orchid, and cd to Orchid, and we get the file, flash image. What's that, the flash image? Why I'm using Kali Linux? Because the Sleuthkit tools on Kali Linux are already built in, or you can download the Autopsy or Sleuthkit on the internet. And let's check our file. Okay, this is this flag.emg.gz. okay, so we need to decompress this. I will using gzip to decompress this image. Okay, and what next? We can check this image here. What's the kind of this image? This is the DOS or MBR boot sector partition 1, and boot sector have something. I want to zoom it in. 3 partition. In this flag image have a 3 partition. Okay, start with this, and how we can use the Sleuthkit. Okay, you can use the Sleuthkit using Sleuthkit. Okay, so you can use the Sleuthkit here. What is the Sleuthkit? Is a collection of command line tools and a C library that allow you to analyze this image and recover files and others. Okay, you can download the Sleuthkit here and using some autopsy for this image you want to autopsy. Okay, right now we have this image here, and how we can use it, you can watch my last video or the list on my video. I have finishing the Sleuthkit mission on the picoCTF, and I want to use MMLS to this image. Okay, and we have this primary table here and unallocated here, and Linux partition 0x33 start from offset 2000, 20,000 and 206,000, and have a Linux swap Solaris, and the Linux, we have the Linux swap here. What our mission is check the Linux. Okay, how we can check it? We can use FLS min offset min O start from the start offset here. I want to check the Linux here and give the name of this image. Okay, and we got this system menu, or look like the boot sector here, and it doesn't have to open file boot sector on this partition. This is like the partition and swap, and this is the partition, so we can start from this because this is a swap file. Okay, and I want to use FLS and min offset on this number and the name of the image. Okay, what we got here? We got home directory here. It's telling us here min D is the out directory, and we have directory loss, boot, etc, proc, def, and tmp. Let's take a look the home. Okay, the home directory, I want to small my terminal here. Okay, and clear, and do it again so you can see it. Okay, and how we can check the home directory here? So you can summon the last number of unit number here. This is a unit number, so you can use the command FLS min O offset start from the sector of the allocated tables, and the file name, the file image, and press enter. We got nothing on the home folder, so where we gonna go? We have to go to the root folder here, 472. Okay, and go to the 472 unit. We got the flag.txt here. Can we go to check the flag.txt here? And I want to use icat to print out the file content here, and give the last is the number of the unit. Okay, and what we got here, Why Sleuthkit have a realloc file here? We can paste here, and what's that mean? Okay, you can check on the wiki, and then unknown type can F the realloc. They could be different if one of the structure was reallocated. Oh, so the file was allocated reallocation. Okay, it looks like the sometimes you will see the text realloc after the metadata address. Okay, and this occurs when the file name is in the allocated state and the metadata structure is in allocated state. This can only occur on the file system that separated the file name from the metadata such as NTFS, extension 2, UFS, and etc. Seeing realloc with the version of TSK 300 or greater because the duplicate name suppressed. It's generally the indication that the metadata structure has been reallocated to a new file, and therefore not likely to be the metadata or the content original correspondent of this file name. Oh, it looks like file, the deleted file here. So on this Sleuthkit, we can see the file was deleted if we have realloc sign here. So we still have the flag txt encoded. I get that 1782, and what we got here. Okay, we got started here, and that looks like a best bus history here. What the user do. I want to check what's the user do on this image, and what we got here is tots flag.txt, nano flag.txt. So like it's creating the file here, creating flag.txt file, and nano the flag.txt is like modified, and apk get nano. Or this look like nano doesn't install, so it's installed the nano, and have apk add nano and nano the flag. Okay, this looks like installing the nano and modified the flag.txt and open the SSL. Oh, we got here. What we got here is look like the open SSL IS256 with min salt in the flag.txt and min out flag.txt encoded. So our flag.txt encoded is the out file from the flag.txt on salted with the encryption with using IS256, and then thread min u flag.txt. It looks like thread is the deleted file with using the rename. So we can read the flag.txt here, ls min al hard. So okay, so what we got here. We got we have now. I want to push this to the phone.md, and I want to icon the salt here 72 82 to flag dot what's this name txt dot encoded. Okay, so we have two file here, found.md and flag.txt dot encoded. Okay, how we can use OpenSSL IS26 to decrypt. Okay, let's check it. Ask the Google how to decrypt and encrypt file. OpenSSL IS256 and C. min D, min A. Algorithm A, algorithm. I need to know the open SSL. Let's check the open SSL min help here. What we got here? We got the IS 256 here. CBC. Okay. And let's open SSL this and min help again. Okay, we have K min row K and min D to decrypt. Okay, min P print IVK. So we doesn't have to put the pass min pass press. Okay, salt do not salt. Okay, I want to use min car. Can we what's the it's using minka here, unbreakable password. Let's copy this, but in here we doesn't have how to set the password. Pass is pass press source. Okay, can we use min D here with the input file is flag, and I want to set it out min in, isn't it? Min in and min out to flag.txt, and then min pass, isn't it? Pass press, min pass equal to this, and press enter. Missing within the first 5 character. RS it doesn't have. Okay, how about the min K here? Min K is using uppercase or lowercase. K is the row K. Row K in hex. Salt. But in the bus history, it's looking like using the lowercase k here. I want to using that, and bet decrypt using min ether or min pbdkf2 would better. Can we have already reflected txt here? Wow, it's look like error, but we have this flag.txt, and I want to submit this. Is this the flag? And let's try it. Sleuthkit and 400 point. We already have the flag here. Okay, and thank you for watching me, and I hope you got some listening here, and you can learn something from my video, and you can click the subscribe button or like button if you like my video and enjoy my video. And next we are gonna finish this, or I don't know where the mission is: store and analyze, investigation, and code it, or you can leave a comment on that below. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.